On this episode of Mandy and Kyle.
Cannot believe this. It's making all my Architectural Digest dreams come true.
This week we are staying at one of the most unique places we've stayed at yet, a windmill by the sea. Things heat up for Kyle and get a little bit steamy, in the kitchen that is. And we take 36 hours to explore the beachside town in central Portugal called Peniche. We were not expecting to find what we did in this little town. Come join us as we cozy up in a windmill by the sea in Portugal.
In Portugal, you'll see old charming windmills scattered along the Silver Coast.
Well, hello there.
What we didn't know is that several of these windmills had been converted into homes and getaways. We'd never set foot in a windmill, and our curiosity got the best of us, so we booked an overnight stay. It's been a busy few months, and we were in desperate need of some R&R. And this cozy little windmill was exactly what we were looking for.
In the cold kitchen light, we both look for a sign, and you say, these are troubles of mine. Weary thoughts of breaking up, coming under your skin. Don't know if we should stop or begin. 'Cause I was there by your side.
Is it Architectural Digest for me? Okay, we'll come in anyway. I am freaking out. I had no idea that it was going to be this cute. When we booked this place, we were like, oh, that'd be kind of fun to stay in a windmill. But this is adorable, and now I want to live in a windmill. This is a dream. This is the living room. It's kind of the living room, hangout area, kitchen, these wood beams up top. They're so beautiful. They just add so much warmth to this room, and I really love them. We got our little seating area, little place to hang out, have a glass of wine. And then we have a little kitchenette here. Here we have the kitchen. Look at this farmhouse sink. I love this. Window up above.
When I'm not by your side.
This gorgeous bathroom. Oh, look at these walls.
Have to agree.
So we have the bathroom, cute little sink.
And now that you are me,
I am so excited to take a shower here tonight.
cannot function with this proper house. There were no reasons
So
why.
up here, it's so cozy. I just want to get a book and lay in bed with a cup of tea and read, or a glass of wine. The room is just hugging you. How cozy is this? If someone knows what this is called, please leave it in the comments below and let us know. And are we doing something we shouldn't be doing right now? Are we activating something that we shouldn't be activating? I don't know, maybe this windmill's gonna take off? Oh my gosh. Oh, it's so nice. No, you don't understand like how many awful beds we've stayed in the past 2 years that are like concrete. This is nice. Let me take it out.
All right, see you later.
Bye.
Before we got this place, I was curious how they were gonna lay it out. Like if they actually utilized a lot of the structure and built around it to make it functional as a place to stay. They did a great job. And for it to be 3 stories is actually really impressive.
Impressive,
Yeah.
very impressive.
And it feels like you're in a windmill. It doesn't feel like the interior is just completely like changed. It feels like you're in a windmill. Today, we're cooking a fried rice. All right.
Close your eyes. Stay on the phone. We are the monsters.
Let's begin.
Holding you still. We are the gallows. question is God on your side?
I've not had one bad wine in Portugal.
Where the rebel tide, we are the monster. There's no place to hide.
Ooh. Oh. I'm so hungry, thank you.
Under your bed.
Thanks for joining this segment of Cooking with Kyle.
And eating with Mandy.
And Eating with Mandy, yes, the after segment.
I have such a passion for other people cooking for me. Thank you for joining me on this journey.
I have a passion for cooking, so it works perfectly for us. Cheers. I love you. We're gonna eat this. We're probably gonna have some ice cream and just relax the rest of the night. We'll see you tomorrow.
Good night.
So you live in the dream.
We woke up to a surprise from our very kind host, who generously left us breakfast on the front porch.
Someone else's side.
I don't know what's in here, but it's really heavy.
Can't
Can't wait to see what we got for breakfast. It's so nice of them. What's for breakfast, buddy? What I got for you?
Underneath my feet.
They just came by and left.
What?
For so long.
Bottle of milk.
Oh my gosh. So nice.
Here, I don't know what's in here. We should open this up. What's in the box?
Are you kidding me?
Our favorite donuts.
These are our favorite donuts.
There's a pear, an apple, 4 yogurts, butter, and 2 coffees.
Coffees?
Yeah, more coffee. We all know what you're gonna have though.
Coffee and donuts.
After breakfast, we headed into Peniche. Portugal has some of the best waves in the world, making Peniche a surf destination. The swell was decent on this morning, and dozens of surfers were out taking advantage of the waves. It's December 10th, and it's 65 degrees out. Although it may not look like it, it is a little bit warm. We took our time exploring the beach and the neighborhoods nearby and stopped for a bite to eat. But now it was time to go explore another area of town we heard was a must-see. In Peniche, there is a peninsula that kind of juts out into the ocean. Out near the end of this peninsula are some of the biggest waves I've seen. This is crazy. You can just feel the power of the waves every time they hit the rocks. Ilhéu da Papôa is on the north side of Peniche. Its rugged coastline is one of the most beautiful we have encountered in Europe and is not to be missed. In 1786, a cargo ship carrying gold, silver, and just a bunch of other cargo was way too heavy and ended up crashing on the rocks here. 128 people died.
Jeez.
And then in 1963, the same exact thing happened. And I believe it. These waves are wild. It's so powerful here.
are limestone layers here that are more than 182 million years old, and apparently you can see them.
Let's go find that. We took our time exploring and admiring its breathtaking oceanic views.
Our trip was a whirlwind, but we were so happy we had 36 hours to become acquainted with the gorgeous town of Peniche.
Honestly, this may be one of my favorite places that we have stayed so far traveling. I love this place.
Travel doesn't always have to be across the world. Sometimes you'll find great adventures in your own backyard, or in towns just an hour away from home. Even though it was brief, the hospitality, the scenery, and the culture of this town left a mark on us. We can't wait to come back and visit again soon.
You're old. You're too old for that. Welcome to Peniche. We are staying.
Peniche. One more time.
Okay.
We got this, we got this, we got this. Where are we staying? Windmill time. Have I dreamt of having a cooking show my whole life? Maybe. This is my shot. Here we go.